Folding exercise bikes have gained popularity as convenient fitness equipment that can be easily stored in compact spaces. These versatile machines offer a convenient solution for individuals looking to engage in cardio workouts at home. Folding exercise bike reviews highlight their practicality and space-saving design, making them ideal for small apartments or limited workout areas. These bikes often feature adjustable resistance levels, allowing users to customize their workouts according to their fitness goals. Additionally, many models come equipped with digital screens that track time, distance, speed, and calories burned, providing users with valuable workout data. With comfortable seating and ergonomic handlebars, folding exercise bikes offer a comfortable and efficient exercise experience. Their compact size, ease of use, and efficient performance make them a popular choice for individuals seeking a convenient fitness solution. Welcome to my channel. Join me as we explore the best folding exercise bikes. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more great content. Let's discover premium tail lights together. After undergoing a thorough evaluation process, the KEPANE product has achieved an impressive 5th ranking. The folding exercise bike has a 7-position seat height adjustment, which can be adjusted to an upright position or a reclined position for exercise. This will depend on your exercise habits, which can maximize your muscle workout. Foldable exercise bike made of better materials. The X-shaped design of physical balance principle is adopted, which greatly increases the durability of the product. X-Bike soft seat cushion and non-slip pedals keep you safe during strenuous exercise. Folding exercise bike has more resistance options. The resistance selection of 1 to 8 levels is perfect for beginners or advanced bodybuilders. This upright exercise bike adopts non-contact magnetic control and belt drive. The new design ensures that the exercise bikes will not make abnormal noise when exercising at home. The large LCD screen of the exercise bikes can display time, heart rate, speed, distance, calories burned and mileage, providing you with more comprehensive real-time exercise data feedback. The iPad holder holds your phone or tablet, and the indoor exercise bikes adds more fun to your home workouts. Folding exercise bike is very suitable for use at home. Whether you have a small living room or a bachelor apartment, the small size after folding will not bring troubles in placement. This portable exercise bike is equipped with transport wheels, which is convenient for you to easily move this X-bike around your home. The YOSUDA brand proudly secures the 4th position among the top-rated products in our system. With over 20 years of experience in designing and producing exercise machines, YOSUDA has become a trusted brand. Their folding exercise bike has been a fitness partner for over 1 million families. Offering 3 exercise modes: upright, recumbent, and arm resistance bands, this bike allows you to maximize your workout and target different muscle groups. The bike features 8 levels of resistance, ranging from beginner-friendly to challenging. Thanks to the high-density composite magnets, the resistance remains consistent over time. The large, soft, and comfortable seat cushion provides stable support, and the adjustable pedals can accommodate users with shoe sizes up to 13. The foldable design saves 70% of storage space, making it suitable for any home or apartment. The built-in monitor displays essential exercise data like time, count, distance, speed, calories, and pulse, ensuring easy tracking of your progress. The esteemed FitDesk brand claims the 3rd spot on our list of top-ranking products. The FitDesk Bike Desk 3.0 offers a reliable and efficient workout experience. It features a high-quality gearbox, quiet twin belt drive, and high-velocity flywheel, ensuring smooth operation. The resistance bands located underneath the seat add an extra challenge to your workout. The bike is equipped with a built-in tablet holder and a storage tray, allowing you to comfortably exercise while working or watching videos. The FitDesk tabletop provides adjustable forearm supports that double as arm massage rollers, preventing arm fatigue during long workouts. Made from heavy-duty powder-coated steel, the bike has a strong base that can support up to 300 pounds of weight. It offers an adjustable ergonomic fit for riders ranging from 4 feet 10 inches to over 6 foot, thanks to the adjustable bike seat, backrest, and semi-recumbent design. The bike comes with an easy-to-understand user manual for hassle-free assembly. It features an 8-level magnetic tension control system, accommodating various fitness levels, and includes a performance meter to track your cycling mileage, calories burned, and distance. The soft grip desktop surface securely holds laptops or tablets, and there's a tilt-top holder for your tablet or cell phone, which also has a storage panel for earphones and other small accessories. Please note that the desk extension kit is not included. Surpassing all other contenders, the pooboo brand has secured an impressive second position in our brand ranking. Pooboo prioritizes excellent customer service, promising a response within 24 hours and providing a 1-year warranty. If you encounter any issues with your product, please reach out to us without hesitation. The upright posture of this bike allows for high-intensity workouts and increased calorie burn. Alternatively, the semi-recumbent posture offers a low-impact and more comfortable riding experience. With the inclusion of arm resistance bands, you can tone your upper muscles and achieve a full-body workout. The bike features a conveniently located water bottle holder to keep you hydrated during cardio sessions, with adjustable sizing to accommodate different bottle types. Its folding design makes it perfect for small living spaces, occupying minimal storage space when not in use. Equipped with transport wheels, you can easily move the bike from room to room in your home gym. Made from thicker, higher quality steel, the bike has a maximum load capacity of 300 pounds and a stable triangle structure for safety during intense workouts. The silent and smooth magnetic flywheels ensure a noise-free exercising experience. The 8-level magnetic resistance adjustment caters to your diverse needs. The LCD monitor tracks time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate, providing real-time exercise data for a scientific workout approach. Reigning supreme at the pinnacle of our list, the BARWING brand's product claims the top position with absolute excellence. Experience the upgraded features of this exercise bike. The magnetic resistance system ensures a quiet and seamless riding experience, offering 16 levels of gear adjustment for your desired intensity. With a heavy-duty steel frame and X-type design based on physical balance theory, this bike guarantees stability and supports up to 330 pounds of weight. The LCD monitor accurately tracks your time, speed, distance, calories burned, pulse rate, and mileage, providing comprehensive exercise data. This non-touch magnetic resistance not only delivers a smoother and quieter workout but also offers added knee protection. For easy maneuverability, the bike is equipped with transport wheels, allowing you to effortlessly move it within your home gym. With built-in arm resistance bands and an ankle strap, you can effectively enhance upper body and leg strength while cycling. Your feedback is highly appreciated regarding the folding exercise bike. We kindly request you to take a moment to share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. Thank you for contributing your valuable input.